Good morning, everyone. We got so much done yesterday. We got the entire kitchen packed up. Pretty much everything in the living room packed up. Reminder, the movers are doing the furniture. So we're not worrying about that right now. We're just worrying about like little things. I had like actual work to do this morning, and I still have one more call to do at 12:30. And then after that, it's back to packing. So I think I'm gonna start packing up my office a little bit, get some of the clothes put away and figure out what I'm gonna do with like my makeup and PR, and start packing my desk up and my bookshelf. And oh, I need another coffee already. Mom's back.
I'm back.
God bless her for it. It has been such a long day already. We have gotten so much stuff done. Jackson and I basically had to work all morning, and we've been like doing packing in between calls and emails. But I'm officially done. Mom came, picked me up. We picked up lunch, and I got a bunch of caffeine for me, Mom, and Jackson. And we are about to tackle this.
We are back and ready to pack.
Back and ready to pack. Absolutely, Mom. Absolutely. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the absolute chaos that is moving day. I'm so proud of us. We packed up our entire apartment, me, Jackson, and Mom, within like a day and a half. And realistically, it was probably like a full 24 hours because both days we didn't actually start packing until like 3 p.m. because we had to work. So we got so much done today. Today the movers are coming. I just finished getting ready. It feels so silly to even say on a day like today, but I'm doing a social exchange with them. So I wanted to look like kind of decent for the videos that they're going to be posting, which will be up on my Instagram by the time this video is live. So do me a huge favor, go like it. That would be so great. Honestly, I feel so blessed. They are coming and doing like all of the heavy lifting. They're handling the couch, the TV, the table, like the bookshelves, all of the big furniture they're taking care of. So all we had to do was pack up all the little things like clothes, food, books, all of that kind of stuff, which we have packed here. We have packed here. We have roughly half an hour before their like window time that they're supposed to show up between, which is 9 and 11. I'm stoked. It's gonna be a very good day. Jackson and I literally woke up at like 5:15, wide awake, just like, I think super aware of how big of a day today was gonna be. Bittersweet to say goodbye to the apartment. It was a good year here, but so excited to head to the house. This is absolutely nuts. The team did so good. They wrapped up so fast. Technically, I still have like a few things here, but they're just like odds and ends. Jackson and I are gonna come back tomorrow or the next day to like deep clean this place and grab those things. Oh my God, it's so echoey in here. But yeah, we're headed to the house now. So excited. Hello, everyone from my new office. I am currently in the process of the moving in process, and it is so chaotic right now. So don't mind me while I'm catching up. This is just, you know, me from the future. If you guys have moved, then you already know it is so stressful and all encompassing and time consuming. And there's so many things that you have to be thinking about. And the last thing that you want to be thinking about is your comfort, especially when it comes to your bra and underwear. This episode is sponsored by Skims. And let me tell you, I have made sure every single day of this moving process that I have had my favorite undies and bra on, because I knew that I needed to feel comfortable and I needed that comfort to last all day long. And that is why I love Skims so much. I've talked about this bra before, and I'm going to talk about this one again. This is the Fits Everybody bra. This is like your most comfortable t-shirt bra. It's just going to very gently hug and shape you. And on those days when you're not even trying, you're going to really appreciate it, because you're going to catch yourself in the mirror and you're going to be like, Thank you, Skims. And then for the undies, it's the Fits Everybody dipped thong for me. This is the thong that you will not feel. I wear it under dresses. I wear it with jeans. I wear it with leggings. I wear it on flights. I wear it when I'm moving. And I wear it when I'm working out. So check out my favorite bra and underwear at skims.com. And after you place your order, be sure to let them know that I sent you. Just select YouTube in the survey and select my channel in the drop-down menu that follows. A gigantic thank you to Skims for getting me through my move, and let's get back into the vlog.
How's it going?
It's going good. We're sweaty and hot, but
yeah, it's literally 95 degrees and you were in a long sleeve. I don't know how you did that.
Well, I was basically in my apartment with the AC blasting the whole time.
Loved it.
But this is gonna be the office, and I am so stoked. I was just telling Alicia, like, I think the layout, which I kind of told you guys already, but like desk here, couch there, and I think clothing rack closet here, but I haven't fully decided yet. I need to, one, go through a bunch of my clothes and get rid of a bunch, and then two, like kind of play with how I'm gonna
You should 3D render the room
Yeah.
and just play Sims.
There's like that guy on TikTok, I'm like, do I like send him my room and be like, hey,
Oh my god. Also, this is the
blue velvet couch.
Was it that low, or there's no feet on
The
it?
feet are off.
Oh.
And this is the main bedroom. I thought for sure it would fit there. It doesn't. So we're putting it here for now. It might have to go in the guest room. We're making this Jackson's closet. We're making this whole room basically my closet. And then this will be the guest room. The bed would be here, Jackson's desk would be in here, and then the dresser might have to go here.
Yeah, I love the white paneling.
I know, it's so pretty. We might have to get rid of the turquoise dresser, Jackson's old one, but he said he's fine with it because it was older. So yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay guys, there's lots going on. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of everything that is happening right now. Third Way is still here. Here's walking in. Mom and Lita have been setting up the kitchen, just doing the Lord's work over here. Hey. My little angels. The living room is coming together, you guys. Originally, we were gonna put the couch against the wall, but Alicia had a good idea of bringing the couch forward. It does make the room feel a little smaller, but a fun fact is this wall is not, this wall's not centered to this fireplace. And we were all worried that that was gonna bother us. We were gonna put the TV over the fireplace, which meant we had this beautiful TV stand with no TV to go over it. So I think we're gonna do some fun little entryway decor here, and it can hold a bunch of stuff for storage there, which is awesome. And then coming through this way, bathrooms kind of chaotic. Guest room is coming together nicely. Office is coming together nicely, and the main is coming together nicely. Excellent news, you guys. I was really stressing about this. The dresser fits in the bedroom, and I'm so excited. Not on the wall that I wanted it to, but it's okay. It fits against the window with plenty of walking space for me, which I'm very, very grateful for. I thought I was gonna have all of my clothes in a completely different room, but I get to have like my undies, bra, like PJs, leggings, and all of that stuff right here, which is just so ideal for my bathroom being right here. So I'm so happy. I'm so grateful that worked out. Could not be happier, you guys. I'm so excited. The movers just left and we have so much work to do, so much unpacking to do, so much organizing and cleaning and rearranging and decorating to do. But even though this isn't necessarily how the living room is fully going to be laid out per se, we kind of like how this is turning out. It could change, we're not 100% sure, but we're really happy with kind of how it laid out. Look at how pretty she is. The sunlight coming in the windows. I'm obsessed. Here it is from this side. So pretty. We actually are really happy with what we did over here. that's a pleasant surprise. So let's quickly show you an updated tour of what's going on in the bedrooms. This way, with the guest room, we have the desk over here, a ladder, the bed, and then we ended up putting Jackson's old bookshelf and lights here, and I think it fits the room so well. It fits that wall so well. We're gonna fill that up with like so many fun things. My office is a disaster. I have so much work to do. I think I'm gonna have to like pick a day to just like tackle this all together. We'll deal with that later. And then I showed you guys, but the dresser ended up actually working out. It is blocking the window, but you know what? I'll take it. I will take it. It worked out just fine. That's the big update. I think I'm gonna like put in a podcast or something and put my head down and get to work and probably check in with you guys tomorrow. Before you come at me for vlogging and driving, I'm in my neighborhood. I'm going like 5 miles an hour. Taryn is behind me. We just recorded the podcast and I'm taking her to the house for the first time. We have to record a supercast and she hasn't seen the new place. And I'm so excited to show her.
Welcome to my house.
It's so fun having
Dude, wait, you've showed them like everything?
Yes, yeah.
Y'all, the backyard is like breathtaking.
I cannot wait to have like a glass of wine with you. Literally like the second it cools down.
But also like I can also picture your TikToks being just like my gardening routine and just you like freaking like clipping leaves and like doing a bunch of stuff like that.
Yeah. I need to do like a garden tour.
You
but
do.
also I need to do like I now have a fig tree, an avocado tree, and a lemon tree, and a grapefruit tree.
What do I do?
Like
Yeah.
how do I get them healthy and how do I care for them? It's like an oven outside, but like the second it cools down.
Congrats, girl.
Thanks. Okay, we're gonna record some more. Couldn't tell you what day it is in the vlog, but we're here at the apartment. It's our kind of last day. Mr. Jokester over here, look who's here.
Look at that line.
My dad's here. Jackson and I are gonna go to Colorado. Jackson's actually already in Colorado. I leave tomorrow for Colorado, which I missed my flight. It was yesterday. I had no idea it was yesterday. It's a long story short. But we are back in the apartment and it is completely empty, which is such a weird feeling. And I'm having a whole moment because I'm like looking out the window and I'm like, oh, it really was like, it was pretty here. I did like it here a lot. But we have 2 little patches that we filled already. We just have to paint them and then we're officially done with all of our little touch-ups here at the apartment. Bittersweet feelings. Cheers. It's my first morning coffee in the beautiful backyard. Wow.